my name is Dr. Laura Pate. I'm back again with more hip and glute stretches. Today we're going to actually be starting in a hands and knee position. Remember, these videos are for demonstration purposes only. Please make sure you're at a stable surface. I'm using a yoga mat on the floor. I will be using my right leg for purposes of this demonstration. First thing we're going to do today is get into a tabletop or all four position. I'm going to try my best to put my wrists under my shoulders and my hips and knees are in alignment. From here, what I'm going to do is bring my left knee closer to both hands in the center of the mat. I'm going to take my right knee and put it directly behind my left, so they're crossed. Now my left leg and knee is over the right. From there, I'm going to very carefully sit back onto my bottom. As you can see, my left leg is crossed with the goal of my left knee being over my right. I want to ensure that I flex my ankles, and from here I'm going to sit tall. Now if you're tight like I am, you may already be feeling the stretch on your right hip and gluteal area. If you'd like to intensify or progress, once again keeping your back straight, you just want to move your fingertips forward until you start feeling it. Now you may be feeling it on your left side as well, but if you really want to focus on the right, you can move your arms slightly to the right side, and that also incorporates some of your lumbar spine paraspinals and your quadratum lumboris muscle as well, your QL. So I'm going to hold this for several seconds, 10 to 20, 30 if you're comfortable and there's no pain. And when you're ready, you want to go back to the center and then slowly with your fingertips walk back up. Now you can cross, just reverse the cross to get the other side. This time, having my right knee on top of my left, my feet are both flexed at the ankles. And again, you can shake and shimmy around a little bit until you find exactly that perfect stretch for you. I'm going to sit tall and then slowly start to walk my fingers forward. And again, I am feeling this on both sides, but to intensify, you can go to the left or to the right, whatever feels best for you. You can keep it centered. When you're finished, you want to walk back up and then return to a comfortable seated position. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing to my channel.